Just like to say this, be careful of who you hurt and mistreat, because some people pray, and when some people cry, God act fast on their behalf, and you best believe that.
Blessed dear viewers and subscribers, welcome to the boss with another video. Please hit that like button and leave a comment. Alright? Yeah. So I'm going to get another article here. I look like everybody want rich before time. Look like I'm alone. No one rich. Eh? Because anyway, Jamaican some money, you know, them fingers start get jiggy, you know. Them have to move to it. Anyway, guys, so you see article, so you know what go on. Right? We have Sajicure, we have NCB employee, we have SSL, and the list goes on. So now, welcome to this new one. Bank employee flees Jamaica after allegedly stealing more than 35 million. Alright? Yeah. So, you know, the source I come from R0B News, credible source, so they have to use the word allegedly. You understand? But over upon one next website, I'm going to read it, how them have it. For them one. Alright? Plain and simple. So I'm going to read this now. Report on RJR just now. The police are looking for a female worker who made off with $35 million from a St. Ann. Oh, St. Ann go on, so the NCB fraudster come from St. Ann. They come like, I hope they say money there. I forgot go down there go see what go on, because this look like it's St. Ann. Them people, them have a whole heap of money. Although a tourist place still. Alright, they made off with $35 million from St. Ann-based financial institution. It is reported that she loaded the cash into a bag and walked out of the institution after telling her supervisor she was going for a lunch. What a long lunch break that is. That the lunch break is supposed to be 3-4 hours. She failed to return and the bank found the millions missing from its vault. It was later discovered that she fled the island on a flight to Canada. So Canada people, we don't know picture her yet. Picture is being withheld. So this is a developing story. So as the day goes by or tomorrow, we are going to get our picture. Then we put up it, then the Canada people, like, you don't know on yourself. You subscribe to me, you can look out for her from the CR. I don't know if you're not going to inform $35 million and a petty cash thief. You understand? Some of that say she have ambition. She take what she take and cut. I think I have to take bad things but joke about Jaja. $35 million. So just imagine you have a worker, guys. That's why I say you can't trust people, you know? And she planned this thing so clever. She could have, she know if she thief it 2 days or 4 days prior before she fly out, them are going to catch up on her. So what she do? She wait upon the day. She book a flight for 3 o'clock. Sentence to Donald Sansters that about one, let me see, no, she could have booked a flight till 4 o'clock. And then now she just say, yeah, she go left 12 o'clock, take 1.5 hours, reach a Sansters. A Sansters in name, one up a mobile, correct me. Yeah, Sansters. Kingston on a Norman man. Yeah. Then now after she do that, she just say, alright then. She gone on her flight and gone. That woman is very clever. But I'm not condoling what he did. It's wrong. And I hope them hold on the 2 teeth and the 2 red eye and I love to see people things and take it. Anyway, guys, put a like on the video. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. Out. Gonna work. Love you know. Peace. Mwah.
Be careful of who you hurt and mistreat, because some people pray, and when some people cry, God act fast on their behalf, and you best believe that.